Hi all, very good day. Today we are going to start a new lecture series regarding the fractions, and on this series we would be discussing about the most basic topics of fractions to the advanced topics. So no further ado, we shall start right over. So fractions. Now the first question itself, what do you mean by a fraction? A fraction is nothing but another representation or an alternative representation of the integers and some of the decimal numbers. Now, what do you mean by an integer? An integer is nothing but all the positive numbers, 0, and then all the negative numbers. That is what you mean by an integer. Now, let's consider an example. Let's say I'm having a fraction 2 over 3, and I'm having here a reference line, and the number that is written just above that reference line, in this case it is 2, is called as the numerator, and the number that is written just below the reference line, in this case it is 3, is called as the denominator. So 3 is a denominator and 2 is a numerator. I hope that idea is clear. Now, apart from being just a numerator and denominator, does these numbers signify anything? Or does it have any other significance? Does it have any other real life application? That is what we are going to see now. For this, let's consider an event. Let's say there is a birthday party in your home. And in a birthday party, definitely you should be having a cake, right? So this is my cake. And let's say there are only 4 members in your home. So definitely you would be dividing this cake into 4 equal portions. Now, let's assume that you are the birthday boy or you are the birthday girl itself. So you would be getting the first piece of cake. Now, if I ask you what is the portion of cake you are getting here? Exactly, it is nothing but 1 over 4. So here, what does the 4 indicates? The 4 indicates nothing but the total number of equal portions I'm having here, or into how many equal portions am I actually dividing here. That is what you mean by this 4 here. And what does the 1 indicate? The 1 indicate of those equally divided portions how much you are getting. That means the denominator indicates into how many portions you are dividing this entire thing into, and the numerator indicates of that equally divided portions how much you are taking there. I hope this idea is clear. Let's consider one more example to make the idea a little bit more clear. Let's say I'm having a small rectangle like this, and I am dividing this rectangle into 6 equal portions. And I'm taking the top 3 portions as well. Okay, now if I ask you what is a portion or what is a fraction representing the portion that I'm taking here, it would be nothing but, exactly, it would be 3 over 6. And here, what does the 6 indicate? The 6 indicates into how many equal portions am I dividing this entire thing into, and the numerator 3 indicates of those equally divided portions how much you are taking. I hope the idea is clear. Now, apart from just being dividing all these things, all these figures into small portions, we can actually use the same idea of fractions in other sense also. For example, I'm having here 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th ball being a red one. So I'm having 5 balls and the 5th one being red. All other 4 is blue here. Now, if I ask you the portion of red balls I'm having here, it would be nothing but what fraction? It would be 1 over 5. And here the 5 indicates the total number of balls I'm having here, and the 1 indicates the number of red balls. So this is the idea of what fractions are. These are the basic concepts of what fractions are. Now, if you understand this topic, let's go for a small question. It's a really interesting question. Try to answer this one. Let's say I'm having a small triangle like this, and I'm dividing this triangle into 3 portions. Okay, and I'm taking the first portion itself. Now, if I ask you the fraction representing the portion I'm taking here, everyone would be saying as 1 over 3rd. Is this actually right? No, this is not right. Why? The 3 normally indicates the total number of equal divisions I'm having here. Now, are these 3 portions the same thing or are they equal? No, they are not equal. That means I cannot say the portion I'm having here is 1/3. So always keep that in mind whenever you're having a figure and you need to represent a portion that you're taking in that figure. Make sure that the entire figure is being equally divided. Then only you can represent that portion as a fraction. Now in the next video, we will be discussing about the types of fraction. See you there. Take care. Bye.